candidates for the various positions in the upcoming primaries and their supporters to conduct this exercise with the necessary candor so that we will have incident-free primaries for the love of our party. Let it be said that the NPP came out of the 2018 primaries as a much stronger party. Let it be said that if any party has the wherewithal to do it, then it is the New Patriotic Party and none other political party in this country. My fellow party men and women, let us remain unwaveringly united and committed to the call of our party and government at all times so that we can continue to deliver our promises and, for that matter, prosperity to the Ghanaian people. I thank you for this audience, and it is my hope and prayer that just as we've started very well, this conference will end very successfully, so that at the end of the day, we will all give glory and honor to the Almighty God. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, thank you, thank you.